one. This is a 2015. Little running light bulbs. Let's change them to something cooler. I got these LEDs off of eBay. I don't know if they're going to be bright or not, but they look damn cool. They have cob LEDs in them, which is, oh God, what is it? Chip on board, I think cob stands for. Anyway, let's try these and see if we can make those a little bit brighter. They're not too bright. They're not too dull at night, but hey, LED is always better. First thing I'm going to do is remove the access the front inside the smart car. In order to do that, you can use your fingers. I just use a pair of pliers. There's a little tab right here. Pull it over and out. And there's one on this side. Over and out. Oops, straighten it up. And then you just lift. Oh, why haven't you released? There we go. Come on, release. There we go. Pop it out. There's a little foot there, a little foot there, and they go in. Right there, so you're, there's your front hood. That's how you get your washer fluid, your coolant, and everything else. So let's check these little bulbs. Roll up the sleeve, reach in. How do we twist? Clockwise or counterclockwise? Can't remember. I had these out once. They're kind of hard to get into. Back in 1 second, I got to put a different shirt on. Okay, so reach in here and turn to the, it would be clockwise. Come on. And then pull it out. It just slides straight back out. There we go. And since there's no CAN bus stuff on this car, we can swap this with the light on and just make sure everything works. These did say they were CAN bus compliant anyway. This should be a T10, meaning it should just pull out like that. Slip this one in. Ooh, much brighter. So let's stick that. We're going to stick it back in the hole in the back. I can find it. And looking from in front of the car is the easiest way to line it up. There we go. In and then turn the opposite way. Come on, lock. You need really little arms on a smart car. So that is brighter. Yeah, I'd definitely say that's brighter than the other one. Let's move this out of the way. Let it hang by its safety strap. Yeah, it's brighter than the other one. Cool. So I'm just gonna, if I can get this locked into place. But you don't want to watch me doing all day. You have to get your hand in there and kind of, it's a bit of a, oh yeah, that's definitely brighter. Cool. Anyway, I'm going to swap both those out, and that is just a quick LED upgrade on the, well, they kind of look funny sticking out of there, don't they? It sticks out of there kind of far. Is that touching? It's not touching. Can't be that much longer than the original bulb, is it? Huh, I think that came out a little bit. I'm gonna pull that out and get it reset properly. I think that popped out of the socket a tiny little bit. Anyway, back in a second. There we go, all done up. On that side, on the driver's side, turn this way and that way to lock. On this side, turn this way to unlock and this way to lock. And when you're trying to guide them in from the back, just stand in the front and it's like a little long hole. So you'll see when the light's coming toward you, you'll be able to just sit in front of the car and like push them toward you and see the little hole when they're coming in. I think these look better. Kind of weird looking, whatever. And to button up your front hood again, simply line up the tab there. Again, this side, there's a little slot here, tab goes into. And then take the little clippies, push this side in, and with this side, oops, come on, you're not grabbing, there we go, and that's it. So if someone wants to steal your washer fluid on a smart car, they can. You just have to pop it open. Don't watch this video if you steal washer fluid. Thanks for watching.